Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, it does look like we are in a wave 5. Whether that wave 5 is really over or not, I guess is still very debatable. Let's take it down to a little bit of a shorter time frame, to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, on the weekly, it kind of looks like the wave 5 is not over. It looks like a 1, 2, 3. Maybe this is a 4. Maybe it's just going to go up and make a wave 5 before we actually do get that big push down, before we do get that breaker starts proving that this really is the end of a wave 5 on like the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, like I was just showing you on the weekly, is a pretty good chance that this is actually just going to keep on drifting up and possibly even take out the previous highs, and that this is going to be a 1, 2, 3. This would be a wave 4, and now we're in a wave 5 of wave 5. Definitely seems like the most likely scenario to me, but I do have my Fibonacci retracement out here, and if we do get a nice fib bounce, then I would definitely go short because it does look like this would be more likely a wave A and a wave B, and then go down again for a wave C. So we definitely have to keep all possibilities in mind, the bullish and the bearish outcomes. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely don't have breaker structure. We definitely don't have a lower high. I would 100% still be looking for longs. There's nothing really stopping this thing from continuing to make higher highs, higher lows the whole way up. So I would definitely continue to look for longs. But on the other hand, if it does make some sort of a three-way pattern up, if it does make some sort of an A, a B, and a C up to a Fibonacci level, and then a big engulfing move to the downside, especially if it produces a breaker structure, then that is what would stop me from looking for buys, and that is what would cause me to start looking for shorts, and it would tell me that most likely this is a wave B, and most likely it would go down for a wave C. But I would have to see something pretty convincing like this before I would start looking for sells again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, definitely no breaker structure, nothing telling us that we should be doing anything except for look for longs. This to me does look like 5 ways down, which makes me think that it is an A. This possibly is a wave B. And then if it does go down again, that's actually great news for us because that would give us a really nice setup to go long at the end of a three-way pattern. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the trend to be up on the higher time frames, and I'm looking for 3 waves down, impulsive up to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Now we do have to keep in mind sometimes what we think is a wave B will actually just keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows. So that I personally wouldn't even be going short for the wave C because the wave C may not even happen. It could easily just keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows. I'm just saying that if it does make an ABC and then a breaker structure, especially if it's at a Fibonacci retracement level, then that would be a really nice setup to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I give you at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.